Hello there everyone. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn on voice chat in Roblox. The steps are pretty easy. You just have to follow it that I'm going to show you. So let me just tell you the information. So get your Roblox voice chat enabled. You just have to be eligible for this voice chat option, and for that you must be 13 plus user and your phone number and ID must be verified. And then just head over to your account settings in your Roblox and then head over to the privacy tab. Here you will find microphone and camera input. Tool the use microphone to chat with voice selected to on, and the tool will turn from gray to green, indicating that voice chat has been enabled for your account. So in addition to settings, 13 plus phone number verified users can enable voice chat when they are in a voice enabled experience. So yeah, these are the ways you can turn on your voice chat in Roblox. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.